Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a run through of my latest journal. I've actually showcased my new kit, the blue collage kit in there. So start off, it's hardcover, curved spine, oh excuse me, normal size, so 6 to that bit, and then the balance of the spine, so about 6.5 perhaps, 8 3/4 that way. There's a 2-inch spine, Tim Holtz fastener on the silver fastener on the front, big some memory keepers eyelet, and some coloured seam binding. Now on the fronts there are raised embossed, oh blimey, crocus. That's what they are, and I've got some gilding wax on them. Then some butterflies that I fussy cut and then heat embossed. So it gives them a nice sort of sparkle. And we can see that. Ah, there we go. And then, gosh, it's blowing a gale outside for whatever reason. The word journal, I've stuck them onto some chipboard just to give them a bit of dimension. Just shy of 200 pages inside. So quite a thick one. So if we go inside, so to follow on the theme of the crocuses on the front, we have front cover, and these are some images I've actually taken from the kit that I've put onto damask paper, I think that is. So these are backing pages from the kit. Now this tag, I actually printed off these backing pages by mistake onto some thin card. So I cut it up, not being one, I hate waste, so I cut it up and put it in as a big tag. So if we go through, that's one of the pages from the kit. Some digital stamping, Edith Holden, my favourite artist at the moment, Bennett's Countryside. Pages. Now this is an Artie Mays kit. I've used a couple of different ones. I think this one is Walk with Nature, or Nature's Walk. I will put a link to Artie Mays' shop below in the description. Some digital stamping. Vellum pockets. That's an Artie Mays tag inside. Some printed vellum. And the centre. 7 signatures, I should say, altogether. The back of the print, the Artie Mays kit. Then we go through a bit more digital stamping. And that's part of the blue collage kit. Side tuck. What I've used as a side tuck here is actually part of the collage kit. And then the second signature. I suppose really I should have called it a blue-ish kit. But so we have tuck spot. There we go. So tag part of the kit. We have some more of Bennett's Countryside. I just love that line drawing of the kestrel. More book pages. This is out of a 1920s book about England, A Foot in England. More digital stamping. That's out of the collage kit. As is these backing pages. This is a glassine bag. Now, because I have issues with the weight of this particular journal, there's nothing inside of it. I just want you to see that you can put something in it. And I've collaged the front. I think I've got 3 bags in here in total, and I've put a collage on them just to, I don't know, go with the kit. This is Artie Mays kit again. And the centre, I love these, the way these, when they fade the pictures out. enough interest without it being over the top. The Artie Maze kit. That's the back of the glassine bag, and it's another collage on that one. Side tuck, and that is part of the collage kit. That's the back page of it. Poems. This is an envelope out of the kit. There isn't actually anything inside the envelope, it is empty. And third signature. Another big tag, as in cut down from a backing page. The collage kit. This is an envelope, a manila envelope that I've collaged onto the front. So you can put things inside. I wasn't sure, it's one of these self-seal things, and I'm like, oh, I didn't want to leave the plastic on, it looked awful. So I took it off and actually just put some washi tape over the top of it, just to cover it up, I think. Digital stamping, Edith Holden. Nothing to do with flowers, but the colours went really well. And that's a Percheron, I think, a heavy horse. Another Artie Maze page. And the centre of the third signature. Shire Horse's bum. Digital stamping, and this is the back of the envelope. So collage on that side, and that one opens up again with a bit more washi tape on it. Tuck spot, which is also part of the collage kit, or should I say that picture is. And you can do what you like with them. Another page out of the collage kit. And the fourth signature. Side tuck, tag out of the kit. Sorry if it's getting boring. Some more of the Bennett's drawings, or watercolour drawings this time. A bit more Edith Holden. That's Artie Maze. A bit more digital stamping. That's another page out of my blue collage kit, because I think I've got a green one on as well. Printed vellum, the centre, back of the vellum. This is the plain envelope out of the kit. There is nothing inside, and that is clipped on. That's also part of the. I've included like a page, not quite ATC sizes. There's 8 images altogether on those. That's the back of the collage page, digital stamping, Artie Maze. I just love the colours in that. That's a corner tuck. And the fifth signature. So another big tag made up out of one of the backing pages. Envelope. This has got a snippet roll that I made, and the colours, I love those. Yeah, very dimensional, hence why the journal itself is actually quite heavy. So, room to put things inside, more washi tape. Another page out of my kits. Side tuck, music paper. Some more the English countryside. I used to breed horses, and never had a heavy horse. This is an Artie Maze kit. This one's Dragonfly Dreams, I think. Page out of that kit. And the centre. And the side tuck. bit more digi-stamping. On the back of the envelope, it's got another bit of the snippet roll on and some washi tape. Bit of washi tape on the bottom. Why not? So, 6th signature. Side tuck. I just love the colours in this watercolour book. Some more there. A Foot in England. That's an Artie Mays page. Digital stamping. That's out of my blue collage kit. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold coming again, I think. Another vellum pockets. That's an Artie Mays tag, that one. Printed vellum. And the centre. Then we come to the backs of the pages. That's the blue collage, some more digi-stamping. Loads of room to journal in this one. Some of tucks, but that one isn't in the kit. That's one that I had on the side, so I've used it because the colours went, I thought, quite nicely. And the last signature, number 7. That's the last of the tags out of the kit, and another tag. A bit more Edith Holden. Like Sussex chickens. Well, cockerel, hen. Nothing remotely to do with flowers whatsoever, but I thought I like those. So they're going in the book. Side tuck, that's an Artie Mays tag. That's the blue collage kits. Digi-stamping, that's another collage. That one. So onto a glassine bag. Artie Mays page. And the centre. And that's at the back of the glassine bag. Another collage on it. A bit more digi-stamping. Last of the pages out of the collage kit. Corner tag, and we are nearly at the end. Back of the Bennett's Countryside, Edith Holden, and the last page. Blimey, there we go. Sorted, done. I knew I'd get around to making the blue journal at some point. It was just trying to get it all together. I think our house is now ready for sale, so it's like, it'll be so nice when it's over. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will list the Artie Mays pages and a link to my collage kit, and also this will be up for sale. So I'll put a link to the Etsy listing for that one as well. Well, thank you very much for watching, people, and I will speak to you all later. Take care. Bye.